Just a quick video on the RZT50 Cub Cadet with the Kawasaki engine. Here's all the specifications. The dipstick is going to be located on the right-hand side if you're standing behind the mower. So you're going to want to unscrew it in order to pull it out. And just to give a little detail, the dipstick itself, including the cap, is probably just shy of 9 inches long. And if you want to see what it's written on it up close, there's a close-up view of it. Now, if you do have to replace the dipstick, don't forget that there's actually a plastic tube that you also need. That's probably the best shot I can get of it. So this tube is gonna insert into the engine down there, and then there's one bolt holding it on to the engine up on top. So again, there's a view of that. You're gonna need that component too. I'll put a link in the description to all of these parts if you need to replace them. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.